Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone, aka Miss Suber. So today's video is all about Fenty shoes. I actually just got my order in the mail and I was too excited to not give you guys a quick haul video. So this video is going to go through all of the shoes that I purchased on the Fenty website, what you can expect from your order, and then a little bit about the shoes, what I like about them, what I don't like about them, so that you know what to expect when you get your order as well. If you're interested in watching this video, subscribe below, give it a like because I know you're already gonna like the video, and let's get into it. So when you get your order, it comes in this beautiful brown box. I was a little bit concerned because I ordered a ton of shoes and I was like, okay, is it gonna come in a Fenty box and everyone's gonna know that there's something expensive inside? Not to worry, it's a plain brown mailer box on the outside, but then when you open it up, it's this beautiful, I want to say like almost a robin's egg blue on the inside. All the shoes are beautifully packed in their own Fenty box, which is also blue, and then a nice carrying bag that's also branded. So I really like that. I can show you guys right here how it looks. So when you get your order, this is what it looks like. It's branded on both sides, beautiful color, saturated throughout. It's gonna have a nice little pull tab for you to pull the item out, and then it has this perfect little box, and she did not disappoint with these. Like, everything on the website looks absolutely beautiful, and when you get it, it looks even more delicious. It looks even more beautiful. So like I said, everything comes packed beautifully. I think the way that everything is constructed, you're going to be really happy about, because it's going to be all leather. These happen to be satin, so obviously, you know, there's no leather construction here, but the heel, you can tell, is going to be quality. It's not going to be wobbly. All of the details are extremely well made and well thought out. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I did try on one pair, so I know that they fit the foot beautifully, and I will be doing a full try on and styling of everything, but I just wanted to show you guys these. So these are the pink satin night out heels, I believe. I ordered these in a 39. I will say that I think they do run true to size, so if you know your European size, I would take that size. So when you get your order, you're gonna get a blue envelope like this that's gonna have all of your order information in there. You're also going to see some instructions for your returns. So you wanna make sure that when you get your box that this is in it and that you hold on to it, because it's gonna have all of your information on there and you may need it to send things back. So the next ones I got are these green strappy sandals. I feel like these are so perfect for summer. With this metallic heel, you can kind of go anywhere, and they have a beautiful foot pad with the Fenty name on there, if you can see. I think these will go with beautiful dresses. You can wear this with like a nice short, a nice pant. I think you can take these so many places, and I like the color. I like that it's all leather. I think this is something that you can wear throughout the summer, even into, if you have like a late summer. I think these will be great. Next, we have these gorgeous yellow sandals. I am obsessed. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, first of all, and I feel like this little detail, this little studded detail, gives it so much class, and it just looks really delicate. I can tell you that they look really great on the foot. I feel like having the yellow leather come up all the way to the heel and then having the heel be metallic is really great, because sometimes when you have a covered heel that's leather, any little trip, slip, dip is gonna have chinks and little ripples in the leather. So I think she was really smart to make these a metallic heel, because you can get whatever on these and it's not gonna really hurt it. So these, I think, are some of my favorites so far. I think having a delicate sandal for spring and summer is just essential. So this shoe I think was one of the most sought after styles on the website. I know people were going crazy over the white, and it's this leather embossed, it's like lizard embossed leather heel. I think this little toe strap really gives it a nice detail, and then just having these around your ankle and your foot just looks so nice. Especially, I'm an ankle bracelet type of girl, so you know, when you have your gold ankle bracelet and you have, you know, this nice situation going on your foot, especially on brown skin, like it's gonna go crazy. So I'm really excited about these. I ordered a size up in these just because I watched a bunch of reviews and people were saying that they needed a bigger size in order for the straps to really fit. So we'll see what happens. This is a 40. I usually wear a 39. So I'm excited either way about the shoe because I think that it's just so beautiful, and if I know Rihanna, it's gonna look beautiful on the foot. Okay, so coincidentally, my last two are some of my favorites. Can we talk about this? It doesn't do it justice to just show this to you on the camera. Like, I feel like when this gets on my foot, it's gonna look so crazy. And the thing about a patent leather shoe is that it's easy to care for. It looks beautiful. It adds a little bit of sex appeal to anything that you wear. And then with these straps and an open toe, this is gonna be, I can't even tell you how amazing this is gonna look. So I'm really excited about these. I think these were some of my favorites. Like I said, the yellow was a favorite just because it's yellow, but these, I think you can get a lot of wear out of these, and they are gonna look unique when you put it with anything, because this pointed toe, the straps, the open pump concept, I think is just so beautiful. So very excited about these. Very, very, very excited. All right, are you guys ready for the pièce de résistance? Okay, are you ready for this? What? It should come as no surprise that I loved the open toe pump style so much that I did order it in this color, just because it's a really great nude. I think I disagree with the idea that you need a nude to perfectly match your skin tone. I think it looks a little bit weird. I think the nude concept is that it's a brown that could mesh with your skin tone. I don't think that it needs to match exactly. So I think that this is a great shoe for all of my brown girls because it's just gonna look so great, and it adds a little bit of a professional flair if you did want to. I don't know how you would wear these professionally, but if you did want to wear these in a more conservative setting, I think that this is a great color. But I mean, you can't beat this style, and like I said, I did try these on. Not this color. I tried on the black, and I did actually, I'm not gonna tell you how I feel about them on, but I really think that this is such a great shoe, and I'm super excited to try these on. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a full try on, a full styling, a full first impressions of all of these on my foot in another video. I'm very, very, very excited to try these all on. I'm super excited, and I really feel honored and you know, just lucky to be living in a time where a completely new fashion brand has sprung up. It's by a black woman, a woman like me. We're both from Barbados. Like, I think it's just something so exciting about having a piece of that, a piece of history for myself and for my future daughter. So, you know, I am super excited, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was just a quick show and tell of the things that I purchased on the Fenty website. I look forward to bringing you guys a lot more luxury videos because it's something that I do enjoy and I do really, really like. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you thought. See you soon. Bye-bye.